Here we have Solana, symbol SOL, which is, oh man, is in a little bit of limbo right here. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like we did hold up on our next test at 150 yet again. Nice little wick below there. So it's had plenty of chance to break down here. Looks like it doesn't want to take it. Looks like they might even back up and running again as well. Anyways, with that said, I probably would be looking for this one to pop back up somewhere to the median of the range, about 170 or so short term. 4-hour RSI tells the story, rejection of the bearish control zone, and we do not have bullish divergence. But this whole correction, again, is coming in on declining volatility. So I'm inclined to say that this is a correction first and foremost, not necessarily a long-term reversal just yet. That is daily. Right, trading sideways at best between a range of about 150 all the way up to about 180. And short term, yes, I do think that it will test somewhere around about 170. And then if you do start to see it close above about 170, then I would be looking for that extension all the way up to maybe even as much as 185, or sorry, 185 to 190 or so. Above there is where I start to look for a continuation of long-term trend as well. But I don't think that's what's happening, at least like today or tomorrow. I think that this one's going to be consolidating for a while after having a pretty impressive run to the upside. We can go look at it over here as well. You know, daily momentum also is going to be down as long as below 193. So again, I don't think this one's going to be trending anytime soon. Just at best consolidating. 12 hours down as long as below 182. So fair enough. You know, if we do start to hit those areas, then I would be looking for this one to, I suppose, give at least another test back around $200. And then perhaps that could bleed into the daily. Definitely possible. 4 hours going to be flipping back up as long as we close above 158.5. So looking good right there. And I imagine we should probably talk about risk as well to the downside. This one's actually pretty damn simple to talk about risk, or at least invalidation points. Anywhere below yesterday's low, the 14th of September, which is 142.77. That looked pretty damn bad for continuation all the way down to about 130, maybe even 125. Or a closing lower low, which would be basically below about 150 or so. Until that happens, I think that this one very likely trades sideways and up from here and just plays out a sideways range for a while and probably does set it up long term. I mean, keep in mind the monthly still looks like this, which is okay, I suppose. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Solana.